Hi everyone, Isa Herrera here from pelvicpainrelief.com. Welcome to my Pelvic Power Hour. Real answers to real questions posted by real people, and there is no jiving on this show. Okay, now I've been getting tons of questions, which I'm really happy about. A lot of questions on Kegel, so I'm going to address that. So, right away, if you didn't get the Kegel checklist, type in the word Kegel and you'll get it through Messenger. Some people didn't get it because I think they were typing Kegel Power. Just type in the word Kegel and you'll get the checklist. Okay, so let's get started. This question is from Diane. Diane M. Can't say anything else. Isa. It was 6 years before I found a doctor and pelvic floor therapist. I've been seeing them for 2 years. I have made some progress with meds, PT, and some home stretches, but the rectal and the vulvar pain are still dictating my life. What other treatments are out there? Is there hope for healing for me? You asked me if I was in a dilator program, and I'm not. What does that entail? Okay. And then she talks about having a flare up every time she sees the physical therapist, and she's not sure what's causing the flare-ups. I mean, first of all, if you've seen someone for 2 years and you're still in pain, you definitely want to figure out how you can maybe expand on your collaborative team, get a couple of individuals, different people working for you. The one thing that I want to make sure that all the women in my tribe know is that when you are seeing a pelvic physical therapist, make sure that the therapist is showing you what to do at home. Okay, that's really super important. And there's another question about that here. So, yeah, if you're suffering from, first of all, pain, vulvar pain, you're not a candidate for Kegels. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to say. The other thing about this question that really sort of hits home is I'm not sure if she has a really good self-care program. So anyone who's seeing a therapist, any kind of practitioner, any kind of caregiver, you need to have a self-care program. I mean, we can't look external to ourselves anymore for healing. The healer and the doctor is within us, okay? So make sure that you have a kick-ass program, okay? So that's the first thing that I'm driving home with this question. The second thing about dilators, can I get my dilators? Dilators, if you have any kind of pelvic pain, typically there's like tension or spasms in the muscles. So I'm thinking if there's tension and spasms in the muscles, then I would recommend a dilator program, okay? For most women, not all, but for the majority of the women, sometimes women can't use dilators, and I'm just going to show you what they look like. These are all wrapped up. I have no idea. Okay, here we go. They come in different sizes, okay? They come in different sizes. And to get to the part, for this woman in particular, who has pain, to get pain-free, you want to get those muscles supple and flexible. And one of the ways to do them is to go through a progressive dilator program, okay? Where you start with a small baby dilator and you can progress up. I work with up to 6 dilators. So this is something that women who are suffering from sexual pain and or any kind of pelvic pain should be doing,